Know that I got it made. Know that I got it made. Know that I got it made. I'm taking it back when rap was real back in the old days. Know that I got it made. Know that I got it made. I'm taking it back when rap was real back in the
Align Unleashed back at you from right here at the Green Thumb Garden Channel, right here in Grow Zone 8B in Tifton, Georgia. And in this evening's video, YouTube, I'm super excited to bring you guys a long overdue update on Pineapple Place, where we were previously growing 5 pineapple plants. A lot has changed out there at Pineapple Place, YouTube. I'm gonna take you guys out there right now and show you guys exactly what it is that we have currently growing on at Pineapple Place, right here in our front yard garden extended grow area. Here we are, YouTube, indeed at Pineapple Place. If you've been watching the video series on Pineapple Place, YouTube, you recall that we had one 2-year-old Del Monte pineapple plant planted here in the center of this planter. We had it surrounded by 5 Dole pineapple plants, YouTube. This is what Pineapple Place currently looks like after about 30 days have passed since our last video update on Pineapple Place. Bam! Can you guys see that, YouTube? We took the liberty of removing the 5 pineapple plants that we had surrounding our main 2-year-old Del Monte pineapple plant here at Pineapple Place, YouTube. We potted those 5 pineapple plants up and placed them inside of our 20-foot by 10-foot by 7-foot high tunnel greenhouse, YouTube, which we'll be bringing you guys an update on that in another video here in the very near future here, YouTube. But this, YouTube, this is indeed what our 2-year-old pineapple plant here at Pineapple Place currently looks like, YouTube. It's been 2 years in the making, YouTube. We've been waiting for this for 2 entire years, YouTube. And take a look at this, guys. Take a look at this. Bam! Yes, indeed, YouTube. Yes, indeed. Can you guys see that? We have a nice size pineapple finally atop our 2-year-old Del Monte pineapple plant here at Pineapple Place, YouTube. We're predicting about another week, maybe a week and a half before that thing's going to be ripe and ready to harvest from this plant here, YouTube. But not only that, YouTube, not only do we have a pineapple on our plant out here, YouTube, that's very near the harvest stage, YouTube, we also have a sucker down in there. Can you guys see that? We have a sucker down here growing between the leaves on this particular plant. And that means once we harvest this pineapple here, YouTube, once we harvest this pineapple, we will not be removing this plant. We'll allow this plant to stay here. This part of the plant will indeed die off and die back. But that sucker there has a 2-year-old root system that's going to provide a lot of energy and for swift growth of that sucker there, YouTube. As you guys who grow pineapples know, suckers like this and pups that grow from around the base of a pineapple plant, they will indeed produce a pineapple much sooner than if you simply remove the top from a pineapple and plant it in soil. This particular pineapple, again, took about 2 years to grow, YouTube. That sucker down there will probably take anywhere between 12 and 14 months to grow a pineapple, YouTube. And we're super excited about that. At any rate, YouTube, this is indeed what things are looking like here at Pineapple Place, YouTube. We couldn't possibly be more excited and pleased by what we see with our 2-year-old Del Monte pineapple plant here at Pineapple Place. Thanks for watching, YouTube. And if indeed you currently are watching this video and you're not already subscribed to the Green Thumb Gardening channel, please indeed take this moment to press that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and be sure, YouTube, be sure to share the video with your friends and family as well. Yeah, YouTube, yes indeed, yeah. Growing Del Monte pineapples at Pineapple Place. Thanks for watching.
Now that I got it made. Now that I got it made. Now that I got it made. I'm taking it back when rap was real back in the old days. Now that I got it made. Now that I got it made. I'm taking it back when rap was real back in the old days. Do you remember this? We call it old school. I'm talking about when rap was real, there was no auto-tunes. You had to really sing. You had to really rap in order to get them up out the seats and make their hands clap. But now it's auto-tunes on everybody's voice you hear. No message mumble rapping, they ain't even speaking clear. But I won't ever change, I keep it old school. They let me in the game and now I make my own rules. Now that I got it made. Now that I got it made. Now that I got it made. I'm taking it back when rap was real back in the old days. This one's for real rappers, artists like Tupac. He made the whole world feel him before he got shot. This one's for real rappers, artists like Biggie Smalls. He reached the world with his music and he touched us all. This one for real rappers, artists like Eazy-E. I miss you, homie, and I know you smiling out at me. This one for real singers, artists like Marvin Gaye. Didn't need no auto-tune to sing, just let the music play. Know that I got it made. Know that I got it made. Know that I got it made.